How's it going, guys? Welcome to CardBreakKids.com. We're going to do another personal box of Gold Standard for Mr. PVT Equity. Good luck. 14-15 Gold Standard. All right. Got base parallel. Dirk Nowitzki out of 79. 16 out of 79. DeMar DeRozan. Base. Russell Westbrook. Greek Freak. Wow, Davis, you got a nice one. Yep. Case hit. Golden debuts Jabari Parker. Boom. Case hit. Case hit. Woo. 1 out of 50. Makes it even better. First one stamped. Golden debuts. All right, for the Celtics, Tyler Zeller on card, 14K autographs, 14K. MWJ, yep, we got some more. We got some more stuff that you could do personal of. Gold Rush, 21 out of 199. Gold Rush on card. Kendall Marshall. This is like the second Kendall Marshall you got, huh, Davis? I think you got one in the last one you did. Freaking Kendall Marshall. Well, we got something different for you. Triple Quad Prime. Shabazz Napier, PJ Hairston, and CJ Wilcox. 4 out of 25. Newly minted. Sick. Yeah, MWJ, yeah, they really are. Gold standards. Very nice product. They really went above and beyond this year for it. Clay Anthony Early, Knicks. Jersey Auto. 194 out of 199. And old school Chris Mullin. 144 out of 199. Jersey Auto. Chris Mullin. Marks of gold. There you go, Davis. Congrats. Thank you very much, sir.